to change Instagram ownership? Changing Instagram ownership typically involves transferring access to an Instagram account from one person to another. There is no formal ownership transfer feature in Instagram, but you can achieve this by changing the email address, phone number, and password associated with the account, and here is how to do it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into the Instagram account which ownership you want to change. Once inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the profile section. To ensure the new owner has full control, you'll have to change the email and phone number linked to this account, and you cannot do that without the profile section. Now, tap on the Edit Profile option available there. Once you tap on the Edit Profile, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Account Settings or Personal Information Settings option available there. Simply tap on it. Now here you can tap on the email and phone number associated with this account and change the email address and phone number to the new owner's details, and save the changes by tapping the done or save option available there. And once done so, you can simply come back to the edit profile section again, and in the edit profile section all you have to do is change the username as well. Once you change the username of this account, email address, and phone number, the account will be a completely new person's account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.